Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then please stand up and dance along with me. बच्चों, टीवी के नजदीक आ जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए.
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
Children, now I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल करूंगी. आपको सोचकर उनके जवाब देने की कोशिश करनी है. Do you like playing sports? I like playing badminton. Do you like watching any sports? I like watching football, hockey, kho-kho, kabaddi, and many other sports. Who is your favorite player? My favorite player is MS Dhoni. He plays cricket. What are the benefits of playing sports? There are many benefits of playing sports. Some of them are that our muscles become stronger, we become healthy and active. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? I am sure you must have heard about the Olympic Games. The Olympic Games are a very old festival of games that are celebrated every 4 years. Many different sports are organized during this festival, and athletes and sportsmen from all over the world come for this festival. If you had a chance to participate in the Olympic Games, what would you do? I would train myself well. I would prepare myself for the big Olympic Games. Let's hear the story of another such person who trained and prepared himself to participate in the Olympic Games. Children, please open page number 13 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. We will be reading the lesson Khashaba Jadhav. If you have a textbook, please point to the words as we read. And if you don't have a textbook, please listen carefully. Khashaba Jadhav. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics, events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastics, events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling, matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. What events take place at the Olympics? There are many events that take place at the Olympic Games. High jump, long jump, running, gymnastics, swimming, diving competitions, boxing, wrestling are just some of them. There are winners announced who are given gold, silver and bronze medals. It is a matter of great honor for the winners. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kashaba Jadhav. Kashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Sahib, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kashaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kashaba, who was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal. Kashaba Jadhav from Maharashtra was the first Indian to win an Olympic medal. He was a wrestler. Who taught Kashaba Jadhav to wrestle? Kashaba Jadhav's father, Dada Sahib, trained all his 5 sons to wrestle. Kashaba was the youngest of them. Olympic medal जीतने वाले सबसे पहले भारतीय का नाम कशाबा जाधव था, जो महाराष्ट्र के थे। कशाबा जाधव कौन सा खेल खेलते थे? कशाबा जाधव कुश्ती खेलते थे। उनकी ट्रेनिंग उनके पिता दादा साहेब ने की थी। From an early age, Kashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon, it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada, but in the whole area. Who took Kashaba to watch the wrestling matches? Kashaba's father took him to watch the wrestling matches. At what age did Kashaba first enter the akhada? Kashaba was only 10 years old when he first entered the akhada. कशाबा को कुश्ती यानी रेसलिंग की मैच कौन देखने ले जाता था? कशाबा के पिता उन्हें रेसलिंग की मैच देखने ले जाते थे। किस उम्र पर कशाबा सबसे पहली बार अखाड़े में उतरे? कशाबा की उम्र केवल 10 साल थी जब वो पहली बार अखाड़े में उतरे। कशाबा loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of these. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. कशाबा को और कौन से खेल पसंद थे? कशाबा को कबड्डी, मलखम, दौड़ लगाना, तैरना और जिम्नास्टिक्स बहुत पसंद था। He went to Raja Ram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. What encouraged Kashaba to wrestle? Kashaba attended Raja Ram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. He was a champion at this sport. He was sent to wrestle at the state level and then national level. Which national champion did Kashaba beat? Kashaba Jadhav won against Niranjan Das in 1948, who was the national champion then. After this, Kashaba was sent to the International Olympic Games. कशाबा जाधव ने अपनी पढ़ाई राजा राम कॉलेज में की, जहां पर रेसलिंग को बहुत प्रोत्साहन दिया गया। वे स्टेट लेवल और फिर नेशनल लेवल पर भी खेले। 1948 में उन्होंने नेशनल चैंपियन निरंजन दास को भी हराया और उसके बाद उन्हें इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक गेम्स में भेजा गया। When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Kashaba was used to wrestling in an earthen pit, while at the international games, the sport was held on a mat. Kashaba still managed to procure the 6th place out of 42. कशाबा जाधव को भारतीय खेल के नियमों में और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नियमों में फर्क नजर आए, फिर भी उन्होंने 6th पोजीशन प्राप्त करी। The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba did not have that much money, and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Kashaba's village also helped. What was the challenge that Kashaba faced while playing international games? In those days, the participants had to pay for their traveling and staying expenses. Kashaba belonged to a simple and humble family. He did not have that much money, but it was his principal who helped him out. उन दिनों में सभी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स जो खेल में हिस्सा लेते थे उन्हें अपने आने जाने और रहने का खर्चा खुद देना पड़ता। कशाबा के पास इतने पैसे नहीं थे। उनके कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल ने उनकी मदद करी। In 1952, Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Kashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 bouts quite easily. He won each bout within 5 minutes. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point. From which countries did Kashaba's opponents belong? Kashaba's opponents belong to Russia and other Gulf countries. Kashaba also played against a wrestler from Japan. कशाबा के साथ रेसलिंग करने वाले किन देशों से आए थे? कशाबा के सामने रेसलिंग करने वाले रशिया, दूसरे गल्फ देश और जापान से आए थे। He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Kashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Kashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. Against which opponents did Kashaba win? Kashaba won against opponents from Russia and other Gulf countries. He won the bout within the first 5 minutes. Against which opponent did Kashaba lose? Kashaba lost against the wrestler from Japan. The bout lasted for 15 minutes, but Kashaba lost just by a point. What was against the rules? Kashaba was not given time to rest between 2 bouts. This was against the rules. He had wrestled against a wrestler from Japan and immediately after that was asked to wrestle against a wrestler from Soviet. When Kashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Koleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dhols. How was Kashaba welcomed when he returned from Helsinki? Kashaba had won the bronze medal. The people from his village played the dhol and had a procession of 151 bullock carts to welcome him. कशाबा का स्वागत कैसे किया गया? कशाबा का स्वागत उनके गांव में ढोल के साथ किया गया. Kashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money, not for himself, but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Kashaba won great honor for his country, even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honors for our motherland? What did Kashaba do when he played the first time after winning the Olympic medal? After winning the Olympic medal, when Kashaba played for the first time, he raised money to give to his principal, who had given away his house to send Kashaba to the Olympics. The principal got his house back again. ओलंपिक्स के बाद कशाबा जब पहली बार खेल में उतरे, उन्होंने जो रकम हासिल की, उन्होंने वो रकम अपने प्रिंसिपल को दी ताकि उन्हें अपना घर वापस मिल सके। उनके प्रिंसिपल ने अपना घर गिरवी रखा था ताकि कशाबा को ओलंपिक्स में हिस्सा लेने के लिए वो पैसे जुटा सके। Children, now let's have a look at the words we learned today. The first word is Olympics. 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 It is a matter of great honor to win an Olympic medal. The Olympic Games are shown on television. Second word, wrestler, wrestler, wrestler. Muhammad Ali was a great wrestler. Wrestlers need a lot of practice. Third word, champion, champion, champion. Saina Nehwal is a champion of badminton. Every sports person is a champion. Fourth word, exhausted, exhausted, exhausted. The little boy was exhausted after finishing the race. Mother was exhausted after cooking all day. Okay children, it's now time to have some fun. I would like to show you some images on your screen and you have to identify the sports given in the pictures. Okay? Then let me give you one example. The first image. Which sport do you see? Yes, the sport is hockey. Now let's see the other images. I hope you all have guessed the answer right. Now let's check out the answers. Cricket, running, boxing, wrestling. Okay children, I hope you liked this activity. Now let's do another one. You will be shown images on your screen and this time you have to guess which game it is. Okay? Then let's give it a try. Okay children, I hope you have guessed it right. Now let's have a look at the answers. The first image is of football. The second image is of badminton. The third image is of volleyball. The fourth image is of skipping. The fifth image is of tennis. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. I would like you all to once again read the story of Kashaba Jadhav and share it with your family members. Also, ask your family members which is their favorite sport. Till we meet again, take care children. Bye bye and stay safe.